on her team, you can move up when it's flipped.
Yo, you should be recording this, dude.
I am.
It's
the beauty, it's all recorded, whether we like it or not.
Stuff?
Everything. March of the Ogre. Let's push.
You guys need help at IBT?
No, we should be. You got a paladin headed south.
Got a hunter headed south also.
So many fucking reeds.
Yeah, I just got it in for shamans, druids.
Okay, SHGY is moving north. It's capped.
Come on, Mork. You're in vent. Come along.
I can't see shit.
In that case, pull your head out of your ass.
You have a dirt
ha 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 ha.
Okay, hunter on high road hitting main.
Get off the bridge, get back into the spawn. They'll follow us.
Rage heading south too. We already have rage.
We just added
Someone's
a pally
capping.
to the spawn.
Someone's capping. Oh, anybody.
Well, I couldn't see shit because there's 2 giant ogre asses in my screen.
4.
Let's get one to defend, and let everybody else push over the bridge. Type a 1 in chat if you're gonna defend Stormfight Graveyard.
If you guys are on a back, let your WoW is fat defend so he can get his battle master. If he's in the vicinity. Alright, SF.
I can't see it, damn.
I want to sit on the flag so no one can cap it.
That's a good idea.
If you were so
Yeah, I
huge
think
that you
it's
just got around it.
Liana getting ready to cap.
It's fun.
Alright, let's move up to Stonehearth and
Yeah,
retake
three just came down into the field.
Yes, there's another couple coming up to Snowfalls.
If you want Stormpike, we need some D back here.
Let's get one to go back.
There's about 4 coming through.
Somebody go to Stormfight, please.
Do you need help with Snow?
I'm coming back, Magica.
Okay, let's get Stonehearth.
Chicken shit road.
Oh, what the hell? I thought someone was running on.
Are you at Stormpike by yourself?
No. Hi, Lord me.
Who put this thing on me?
You're cute. I'm gonna copy you. Oh, I'd have to swap you. No, I can copy you.
Don't go into van. Stay outside the porch. I'm telling you, they'll come to us.
Something's hitting me, but I can't see where it's at.
That's because it shoved up this big ass that's sitting on top of us.
Alright, IBT.
Oh, that's
gonna be busy
Stormpike. They put
before I
that
got
thing on me too.
mosh of ogres.
Man, I couldn't plant the flag. You looted it so quick. Mark, are you in Vent? If not, he needs to be.